Hey incoming Bulldogs, my name is Basie Keisler. I'm a current first year and Housing Street team member here at UGA, and I am so excited to welcome you back to First Year First Look. In today's episode, we're going to be going over the location of our residence halls and what hotspots on campus are around them, so come along. So starting with our East Campus residence halls, East Campus Village, University Village East, and Building 1516 are all going to be really close to really everything going on in East Campus. So the art school, the School of Music, the Joe Frank Harris Student Center on East Campus, which has a dining hall, Village Summit, and it has grab and go options, and the gym are going to be really centralized there. Moving more towards North Campus at Myers and O House, that's going to be kind of our central campus area, and this is going to be close to Stegman Coliseum, the Science Learning Center, the Science Library, Snelling, O House, and that's relatively close to Tate too. As for our first year only options, this is going to be super duper close to Tate Student Center, which is where everything happens, Miller Learning Center, and Bolton Dining Hall. So it really doesn't matter where you pick to live location-wise, because we have so many buses, so many bus routes that will take you anywhere you need to go. So come back to another First Year First Look next week for more insights on what it's like to be a first year student here at UGA. And as always, thank you for tuning in, and go Dogs.